Hey guys, today we are unboxing and checking out this grill cover. So let's get unboxing and see what it looks like, see the quality. So it comes in this nice carrying bag, as you guys can see. So we got it. We're gonna actually be covering this one. I like to have my grill extra protected, so that's why I wanted a second one. Now obviously most people just use one. I'm a little more picky because of our grill, so I like to use two. So as you guys can see, very nice. So for taking it off, you got these nice straps. For pulling it off, you can adjust this to make it tight so it doesn't blow around in the wind. The quality is definitely really good. Like, it's not going to rip like a lot of the cheaper ones. This is really nice. This is probably one of the nicest grill covers I've reviewed so far. Definitely in the top 3. The grill cover that's underneath this, probably this one's probably number 1, and the other one's probably number 2. Very impressive, very nice.